Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to convert PDF to Excel using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. Tenorshare PDNob is an all-in-one PDF tool that simplifies editing, converting, and managing PDFs. One of its standout features is converting PDFs into editable Excel spreadsheets, ideal for quickly extracting and working with data sheets. Supporting over 30 formats, it ensures accurate table data conversion without losing formatting, saving time on financial reports or complex data sets. Batch processing allows conversion of over 1,000 PDF files at once, making it an essential tool for professionals and businesses. Now, let's see how easy it is to convert your PDF document into an Excel spreadsheet. Use the links in the video description to download the software, and after installing it, launch the program, and you'll arrive at this interface. Click on Open PDF, then use Windows File Explorer to locate and open the PDF file you want to convert. The document will be loaded into the software. As you can see, my PDF document is a data sheet. In this window, you'll see a variety of tools and settings to work on your PDF documents, but we won't be discussing all of them in this video. To convert this PDF document to Excel, simply locate the Convert tab and select Convert to Excel. This submenu will display information about the PDF file, including the file name, total number of pages, and the page range. You can choose to convert the entire document or specify a page range. Below, you'll find an option to select the output format, which is already set to Excel by default. The settings here allow you to choose whether you want the entire document to be exported as a single data sheet or different tables to be exported to separate Excel sheets. But for this document, I want everything as a single Excel sheet, so I don't need to adjust any other defaults. Next, choose whether you want to save the converted file in the same directory as the original PDF or specify a custom output folder. If everything looks good, click Convert to begin the conversion process. You can monitor its progress in the status display. Once the conversion is complete, a green check mark will indicate success. Close the window and locate the directory where the Excel file has been saved. Open it, and as you can see, the original PDF has been accurately converted into an editable Excel sheet while preserving its original formatting. As you can see, I can select, edit, or even delete any cells in this worksheet. And that's how you quickly and easily convert PDF files to Excel using Tenorshare PDNob. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.